Welcome to our video on how to use AI for customer service. We'll explore how AI is transforming contact centers and help desks, enhancing customer experiences, and boosting operational efficiency. Artificial intelligence, or AI, encompasses technologies like machine learning, big data, and natural language processing. These tools are increasingly integrated into customer service software, revolutionizing how businesses interact with customers. Now, AI in customer service automates support processes, allowing customers to find help independently. It enhances agent efficiency by handling routine tasks, enabling quick, personalized responses, and improving overall customer satisfaction. First, let's examine 7 strategies for leveraging AI in customer service, focusing on enhancing efficiency and cost effectiveness in help desk environments. Number 1, AI chatbots bring a self-serve customer support solution, providing 24/7 assistance. They reduce wait times and operational costs while delivering accurate answers, enhancing customer satisfaction and service efficiency. Number 2, AI sentiment analysis categorizes help desk tickets swiftly, automating processes and identifying trends. This proactive approach allows agents to prioritize urgent issues, improving the overall customer experience. Number 3, AI automates the assignment of support tickets, ensuring complex issues reach the right agents. It analyzes requests to identify trends, enhancing agent expertise and improving customer service quality. Number 4, AI generates self-serve troubleshooting content, offering 24/7 support tailored to individual needs. By analyzing support tickets, it creates automated responses, streamlining customer service operations. Number 5, AI intelligently routes support tickets to the most suitable team, freeing agents to focus on complex issues. This automation enhances the customer experience by resolving problems swiftly and efficiently. Number 6, AI uses natural language processing to analyze customer feedback, providing insights into common issues. This helps service leaders address challenges effectively, improving customer satisfaction and experience. And number 7, AI automates the collection of customer satisfaction scores, reducing handling times and improving resolution rates. It analyzes feedback to identify recurring issues, enabling quick resolution and enhancing service quality. Now, let's review 3 key benefits of implementing AI in customer service, focusing on improving support efficiency and customer satisfaction. First, AI automates manual tasks, which enhances first contact resolution rates. By understanding customer needs, it provides personalized service, allowing agents to focus on complex issues and improve key performance indicators. Second, AI streamlines customer support workflows, offering quick, accurate responses. It identifies customer preferences, suggesting tailored solutions, and monitoring sentiment for proactive assistance. And third, AI reduces response and average handle times by automating simple tasks. Using natural language processing, it interprets queries accurately, providing relevant answers and improving customer service efficiency. To conclude, in today's support environment, AI is transforming customer service by automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and reducing response times. Businesses should embrace AI to stay competitive and deliver exceptional support. Thank you for watching. Discover how Jiva's AI-powered solutions can enhance your customer service operations. Visit our website to start a free trial or schedule a demo to learn more about our innovative tools.